Okay, so let's do one more in this one. When assuming that the posture fallen on the face, one should preferably be sitting. Okay, here we go. Our paragraph. Preferably be sitting. However, in a present situation, exactly, it may be recited while standing as well. A commentary: some instances when it might be necessary to stand. So see above 18. 13 and 18. So let's say we're going to check. After Tachanun has been recited, the congregation recite the prayer Veichenu lo neida. We know not. So when we say we know not, so we have to extend that, right? One should recite the first 3 words of the prayer while sitting, and after those 3 words, as said, one should rise and say the rest of the prayer, beginning with the words mussar, what to do, etc., while standing. So let's say there is commentary, and we're going to explain. By changing position while reciting this verse, one is indicated that we have employed all postures, right, of prayer while available to us. There is sitting, standing, falling on the face. And there is nothing more, right? So well, what else can we do, right? For us to do other than to await the divine response. Okay. So let me check quickly. So as we said ourselves, so preferably, most preferably sitting. But if you like, we were standing in my office. We were praying in the back of the stores. So basically, in a delivery entrance. There is no way to sit. So everybody would stand. Okay. So quickly, 18, 13, and 18. Just let me see what was the situation. 18, 13, 18. Oh, very interesting. So it says it is forbidden to sit within the 4 arms of one who is praying Shemoneh. So the guy came late, right? So he's standing right behind me. So now I cannot sit. Right? So I need to say Tachanun, he's behind. I'm already finished, the whole congregation is finished. But what can I do? I have to continue saying Tachanun while standing. That's 1 Siman and 13. Okay, I'm going to skip a Kiddush. Okay. All right. So basically that's and in all other like present circumstances where you cannot move or there is no chairs and stuff like that. Okay. So we stop here. Any questions, please?